What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to dominate in the marketing world and grow your business like never before, you're in the right place. Today, I'm about to reveal 5 game-changing marketing strategies that are going to take your brand to the next level in 2025. These aren't the same old tips you've heard 1,000 times. We're talking cutting-edge techniques that will skyrocket your growth. So grab your pen and paper because you'll want to take notes on this one. Let's dive right into it. Alright, strategy number 1. AI-powered personalization. Look, in 2025, personalization is going to be the name of the game. It's not just a nice-to-have anymore, it's essential. If you're not using AI to customize your marketing, you're missing out on serious opportunities. Think about it. Every single interaction a customer has with your brand is a chance to learn more about them. What are they interested in? What are their pain points? What are their goals? AI can help you gather this data and use it to create hyper-personalized experiences that resonate. From email campaigns to product recommendations, AI allows you to deliver super-targeted content at the perfect time. Think of it as your secret weapon to create a deeper connection with your audience. With tools like machine learning, you can understand customer behavior and preferences like never before. Let's say you own an e-commerce store. AI can track customer activity and suggest products they're likely to buy next. Imagine sending an email to a customer who just browsed your new shoe collection, offering them a personalized discount or highlighting a pair that complements their recent purchases. That's the power of AI. Or for email marketing, AI can segment your list based on user behavior and send tailored messages that convert. Instead of blasting out generic emails, you can send targeted messages based on past purchases, website activity, or even demographics. This level of personalization leads to higher open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately more sales. Trust me, this will boost your ROI exponentially. By delivering the right message to the right person at the right time, you'll see a significant impact on your bottom line. Next up, strategy number 2, the power of video. We all know video is king, but in 2025, it's more powerful than ever before. Video is one of the most engaging forms of content, and it's only going to become more critical. In fact, by 2025, video content will make up over 80% of all internet traffic. If you're not creating regular video content, you're leaving massive engagement on the table. Consumers are craving video content, and for good reason. It's immersive, it's entertaining, and it's easy to consume on the go. And it's not just about YouTube or TikTok. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are doubling down on video with stories and reels. Use these platforms to showcase behind-the-scenes content, highlight customer testimonials, or even offer sneak peeks of new products. Video helps you build trust with your audience by letting them see the real side of your brand. People want to connect with people, not faceless corporations. Video gives you the opportunity to humanize your brand and show your audience who you really are. And with the rise of live streaming, there's even more opportunity to engage in real time with your audience. Imagine hosting live Quanda sessions, product demos, or even virtual events. Live streaming allows you to connect with your audience on a deeper level and build stronger relationships. Don't underestimate the power of video. It's not just a trend, it's the future of marketing. Now, strategy number 3, voice search optimization. Voice search is absolutely exploding, and by 2025, nearly 50% of all searches are expected to be voice-activated. Think about it. People are using their voices to search for everything from restaurants to products to information. If you haven't started optimizing your content for voice search, you're falling behind. The way people ask questions via voice is different than how they type. They use more natural language and conversational phrases. Instead of typing best marketing tools, someone might say, "Hey Siri, what are the best marketing tools for 2025? See the difference? So, how do you optimize for voice? Focus on long-tail keywords and conversational language. You'll want to include natural phrases and questions in your blog posts, FAQs, and even product descriptions. Think about the questions your target audience is asking and optimize your content accordingly. Use tools like Google Search Console and Answer the Public to identify relevant keywords and phrases. Bonus tip, start using structured data like schema markup on your website so search engines can better understand and display your content in voice search results. This will help your content rank higher and attract more voice search traffic. Voice search is only going to become more prevalent in the years to come. By optimizing your content now, you'll be ahead of the curve and well positioned for success. Strategy number 4, user-generated content, or UGC. In 2025, consumer trust is more important than ever, and UGC is one of the best ways to build that trust. UGC is any content created by your customers, whether it's a review, a post on Instagram, or a video testimonial. And the best part? It's free content that's incredibly authentic, which makes it more likely to resonate with your audience. People are bombarded with marketing messages every single day. They're skeptical of traditional advertising and are more likely to trust recommendations from people they know and trust. To leverage UGC, create a hashtag campaign or encourage your customers to share their experiences using your products. Make it easy for them to share their stories and engage with your brand. Then, feature their posts on your social media, website, or email campaigns. This not only builds trust, but also boosts brand awareness. Consumers are more likely to trust other people's experiences with your brand than your own advertising. So let your customers do the talking. UGC is a powerful tool that can help you build trust, increase engagement, and drive sales. Don't underestimate the power of authentic content from real people. And last but not least, strategy number 5, micro-influencer marketing. In 2025, big influencers are losing some of their edge. It's the micro-influencers, those with 1,000 to 100,000 followers, that will be the real game changers. Why? Well, micro-influencers tend to have higher engagement rates and more authentic relationships with their followers. They're seen as more relatable and trustworthy than mega-influencers. Their audiences trust them more, and that translates into higher conversions for your brand. When a micro-influencer recommends your product or service, their followers are more likely to take notice and consider making a purchase. To get started, find influencers within your niche who align with your brand values. Don't just focus on follower count. Look for influencers who have a genuine connection with their audience and whose values align with your brand. Work with them to create authentic content, whether it's a product review, an unboxing video, or a live session with their followers. Give them creative freedom to showcase your brand in a way that resonates with their audience. These influencers can help you tap into hyper-targeted communities at a fraction of the cost of celebrity endorsements. Micro-influencer marketing is a cost-effective way to reach a highly engaged audience and drive real results. So there you have it. 5 game-changing marketing strategies that will help you explode your brand's growth in 2025. Whether it's using AI to personalize content, optimizing for voice search, or leveraging micro-influencers, these strategies are going to help you stay ahead of the competition. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure you're subscribed for more tips on how to crush it in the marketing world. Until next time, keep innovating, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.